What's up guys, Ryan with VisionTek here. Want to know the channel direction? What special projects that I'm working on? You're going to want to stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for supporting me and everything that you always do. Alright, big thing I've been hitting around on my Twitter account, the Doom themed PC. It's going to be focused around a Mastercase Pro 5 provided from Al over at Cooler Master USA. Inside it's going to have a Z170 Classified and a 850 watt G2 from Jacob over at EVGA. Thank you very much for those two gentlemen. And then as far as SSD storage, Rick over at VisionTek supplied a 240 gig SATA 6 Go drive for me, as well as Samsung also provided a 950 Pro 512 gig M.2 NVMe drive for me. So that's going to come together nicely. It's going to match the Z170 Classified board perfectly. And a Core i7 6700K at 4.7 gigahertz. I got it from Silicon Lottery. I'm going to link his website in the product description below. He's pretty comparably priced to what the Egg charges. However, he does pre-bin them based on overclock. I think that's a service that's phenomenal. Basically lets me not have to worry about what it's going to overclock to. I'm going to try for 4.8, maybe 4.9, if I'm lucky 5, but I'll be happy with 4.7. So, what's that? What about GPUs? Oh, I'm glad you asked. Hold on. So where's the GPU horsepower? Two VisionTek R9 290 CyroVenoms. So these are EK built. They have the blocks already on them. The back plates, they're beautiful. They will work perfectly in my build. Now that I'm done with the hardware porn, not really. It's all going to be EK water blocks cooled. I'm trying to find some way I can mount a EK Predator 240 in the top and 360 PE in the front. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm thinking possibly a spacer or a fan spacer above the Vardar fans if I don't replace those out with something different. So in terms of coolant color, blood red just suits the build quite nicely. Okay, I'm in between hardline tubing and softline tubing. The reason why I'm contemplating is because hardline tubing takes a lot of skill and patience, something I lack something of. However, softline tubing is easily deployable. I can cut it and not get too frustrated, and I can still make it clean the way I had the loop planned out. But let me know in the comments below what you think. I'm thinking more towards 12 millimeter hardline tubing if I did do hardline tubing, but on softline tubing it would be 3/8 by 5/8. All right, other projects. I'm working on a couple different reviews. One of which you can see behind me. It is the Nexius Moda Pro full-size keyboard, which features Kale Brown switches. That was kindly provided from Peter over at Nexius. Oh, and I'm still working on those creative reviews too. So the G5 DEC amp combo, that should be coming out later this week, and the G5 headset as well too. So keep an eye out for those two. They're going to be good. Really impressed me as far as quality on both those items as well too. So. Alright guys, thanks for letting me ramble on. If you want to check out my sponsor build log, it's going to be at overclock.net. I'm going to copy and paste a lot of that. It's going to be put at the EVGA forums and the Cooler Master forums as well too. Come say hi, give me a subscribe on both here and on overclock.net. You can check out my progress. If you want to follow me on Twitter, I'm at RGTech1. If you want to see some behind the scenes stuff, I like posting stuff on there. Instagram, I don't really know how I feel towards Instagram, but whatever. I might jump on board eventually here, so. Until next time, peace out.